In this video I'm going to show you how to make the best oatmeal ever. And I'm going to use Honeyville's multi-grain cereal. Now this can be used in muffins, breads, cookies, just about any kind of baking that you want, but it makes the best oatmeal you've ever had. And I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing you're going to do is take a pot and put 2 cups of water in it and bring it to a boil. Now if you're going to put in dehydrated blueberries or pineapple, cherries, crushed cranberries, papaya, apples, bananas, or what have you, you're going to want to add 1/4 cup of dehydrated fruit, and then you're going to want to add an additional ½ cup of water to this, okay? And you're going to want to put the fruit in the water before you even start boiling it. Okay, so in this video I'm just going to make the oatmeal dough. I'm going to take this over to the pot, I'm going to put this in, and I'm going to dump this in later. Okay, the water's just starting to come to a boil, and if you can see, that's what it looks like. And right about now is where you want to put your oatmeal in the water. But here's the trick. Don't bring a spoon to the pot. Just take your oatmeal and sprinkle it in there, and don't stir it. After you dump your oats in, you want to turn your temperature to medium-low. And you just leave them there in the pan, uncovered, and don't stir it. And come back in a few minutes and they should be done. Okay, so here we have the oatmeal, the multi-grain oatmeal. As you can see, all the water is evaporated off, and that's what you want. You want to leave it set on the stove until all the water is evaporated from it. You don't want to stir it, and you don't want to cover it. And then you're going to just take that oatmeal and you're going to dump it in a bowl, just like that. And as you can see, it's nice and flaky. It's not all sticky and gooey. And then what you do is you take some maple sugar. If you don't have this, you should get some because it's absolutely fabulous. And you're going to sprinkle the maple sugar on the top of it. Put some milk on it. And I guarantee you this is the best oatmeal